okay. Thank you.
Oh Jeff, how are you? Did you buy some shampoo? And why you seem so angry?
I used to have shampoo for as low as 60 pesos per dozen before, but now have 63 pesos per dozen of shampoo.
It's the effect of inflation.
Ah, inflation?
Yes, inflation.
What's that?
Inflation is the change in the price of products or services at different times.
Where is the inflation? Why there is inflation?
This has two reasons. The demand and the cost.
The demand pull is the increase in demand or people spending, but the supply is insufficient.
While the cost push is the increase in production cost that will also cause an increase in the price of goods. If the raw product, the price increase, this also result in what we call inflation.
That's why the effect of inflation is so bad for us.
In other countries, they are experiencing hyperinflation. This is the price increase with every hour that passes.
It's so bad. How can we solve it?
We have things to do. Making a budget for expenses, increasing the source of income, and investing anymore.
I understand now.